These boreholes at the outskirts of Nabuli were constructed by some NGOs, but they are currently dysfunctional. The 3,000 residents of the community are compelled to rely on these open wells for both domestic and commercial use. Residents say diarrhea and other waterborne diseases are a recurring problem here.
We come here and fetch. When we drink the water, we will fall sick. Your stomach, you cannot sit. Diarrhea.
The water that we are fetching, if we fetch it and we send it to drink, some water have diseases that affecting us. The money that we used, we are fetching and collecting, we use that one to pay for treatment.
Never knew until Burkine. Nambe your pumpty awane. To look at our lunyum and kaye, human you can't to more I drop pumpty. Near to lunyum could join you. That is your money yet to be we are. One boy from a work live set of pumpty. Never nay. Human would tend you and a telling Nana colored Nandianake. Nebana won't go ballad drain, but what I ding.
Checks at the Nabuli Health Center confirmed that diarrhea tops the OPD cases at the facility. The nurse in charge of the clinic, Ebenezer Mark Brown, is not ruling out the water crisis in the community as a major contributory factor.
During this time, most of the cases we receive, aside the respiratory tract infections, which has to do with the coughs and the other infections, diarrhea is also the major conditions we record. And water, as we all know, forms part of our feeds. So definitely it can be one of the yardstick or one of the causes of these diarrhea issues.
Meanwhile, the district chief executive says his outfit is aware of the situation.
To look at the water issue, that one actually is a problem. And last year, like this, we were able to sink about 30 boreholes across the municipality. So currently, as we speak, maybe by next week, the contractor will come back and then start fixing up the pumps. So the water situation in Nabuli here, I think we are working on it.
The UN Sustainable Goal 6 aims to provide universal access to safe drinking water by 2030 and requires that all member states invest in water infrastructure. Until that is done, communities like Nabuli will continue to depend on unwholesome water for survival. The people in this community are appealing to government to provide them with source of potable water. From Nabuli in the Gushegu district of the Northern region, I am Dinah Ngwan for Citi News.